To change the color profile picture size in the phone app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting, tap color information, next tap profile picture size, and then select between a larger or smaller profile picture view. As the example, we will select small. By changing the profile picture size, you can control how contacts appear during calls, whether you prefer a bigger image for better visibility or a smaller one for cleaner look. Adjusting the size helps personalize your call screen to match your style. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.